Hello, this is Trevor from Telecom Training, and today we're going to talk about both single mode and multi-mode fiber optic cables. We're going to look at how they work, their differences, and how these two unique cables are used to keep us connected. Fiber optics are thin, flexible strands of glass or plastic that carries light signals over vast distances. Every time you type on your computer's keyboard or use your cell phone, you are utilizing the capabilities of fiber optic cable. In the early days, we used copper as our medium of communication with many limitations. But today, with the help of fiber optic cable, we can communicate much more efficiently. There are two types of fiber optic cables. Single mode fiber, which is used for long distance communication, covering hundreds or even thousands of miles. And multimode fiber, which is used for short distance communication, generally between 300 meters and 2 kilometers. Single mode fiber is more expensive because its manufacturing process demands exceptionally high precision to achieve the smaller core size of 8 to 10 microns and tighter tolerances required for optimal performance. Single mode fiber is primarily used by telecommunications companies as the backbone of their communication network, capable of spanning hundreds to even thousands of miles. Multimode fiber, in contrast, has a larger core size of 50 to 62.5 microns and is primarily used for short distance applications such as data centers, local area networks, and campus networks. Manufacturing multimode fiber is less expensive due to the larger core size, which does not require the high precision tolerance necessary for single mode fiber. This makes multimode fiber more affordable and widely available. However, the larger core size introduces several technical challenges. The most significant drawback is its shorter transmission distance compared to single mode fiber, which limits its use in long distance communication. This shorter transmission distance with multimode fiber is primarily caused by a phenomenon known as modal dispersion, which is a direct result of the larger core size in multimode fiber. Modal dispersion occurs when multiple light paths or modes are created as the signal travels through the core from the transmitter to the receiver. These paths vary in length, causing the light to arrive at the receiver at different times. When enough light from these paths fail to reach the receiver within the allocated time frame, the receiver would struggle to determine whether the transmitted signal is a 1 or 0, leading to errors in the transmission. This limitation is a key factor in the shorter transmission distance of multimode fiber. In contrast, single mode fiber does not experience modal dispersion due to its small core size. With only a single light path, there are no varying arrival times, which allows for much greater transmission distances compared to multimode fiber cables. This is Trevor from Telecom Training. If this video has been helpful to you and you would like to see more videos like this one, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you'll be notified when our new videos are released. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.